There's a breaking news coming in. When Times Now confronted Pooja, the whereabouts of her parents, she refused to answer straight questions.
मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है इस विषय में मैं कोई
Ma'am, it is not part of the investigation. Your family is absconding.
It is related to my thing, so I cannot talk about it.
Your mother has been flaunting guns, and police is looking after them, but they are absconding.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Related to this whole issue, I cannot say anything because the rules do not permit me.
So have you spoken to your parents? Because your father is giving interviews. जांच कमेटी से बात हो पाई ना?
Now a political storm is brewing over a cheque issued by Pooja's mother Manorama Khedkar to Gopinath Munde Trust. Opposition parties led by Maharashtra Leader of Opposition Vijay Wadettiwar are demanding that the government must probe why the family donated money to a BJP-linked organization.
नहीं वही ना, वो उजागर होना चाहिए, वो नाम आना चाहिए और आप लोगों ने भी, माध्यम ने भी सब चलाना चाहिए। ये कौन भ्रष्टाचारी नेता है जो अपनी संस्था के लिए ये कुछ ना कुछ फायदा पूजा कर के माँ ने अगर दिया है तो इनको, इस फैमिली को कुछ ना कुछ फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए दिया होगा। कोई उठाकर अपनी जेब से पैसे तो देते नहीं, वो भी चेक से दिया है। और ये क्रिमिनल बोलते कि हमारा इनकम ही 8 लाख के नीचे है, हाउ पॉसिबल? इसके बारे में जांच चल रही है, उचित कार्रवाई होगी।
अब एक नया विवाद सामने आ गया है कि उन्होंने 12 लाख रुपए से ज्यादा की एक रकम दी है गोपीनाथ मुंडे प्रतिष्ठान को। आप सबको पता है कि गोपीनाथ मुंडे प्रतिष्ठान एक बड़े नेता से जुड़ी हुई संस्था है। इतना जल्दी कैडर मिलता नहीं है आईएएस का। क्या कारण है? किसने मदद की है? किस अधिकारी की मिली भगत से आईएएस बनी है? किस राजनेता के सपोर्ट से आईएएस बनी है?
इनको अगर नॉन क्रिमिनल सर्टिफिकेट मिला है तो इसका साफ मतलब है कि उन्होंने अपनी आमदनी 8 लाख से कम दिखाई है। अब ये मामला सामने आया कि पूजा की माताजी ने 12,12,000 रुपए का डोनेशन भी दिया था। जो फैमिली, जो व्यक्ति 12 लाख रुपए का डोनेशन दे सकता है वो नॉन क्रिमिनल में कैसे आ सकता है? इन सारी चीजों की इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए और इन्होंने जो कुछ भी गलत किया है उन पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Our colleague Arunil is joining us on the broadcast. Arunil, the family here is absconding. The details that are emerging now are more shocking than earlier. What is exactly happening? What are the major updates about the story?
Well, good morning to you, Barkha. It looks like more skeletons are tumbling out of the closet as and when the investigation proceeds. Now, this is the exclusive investigation that a team of reporters have been doing on the ground. A fresh picture of a check is been recovered by our team, wherein it can be seen that the mother of Pooja Khedkar has given a check of more than rupees 12 lakh. It is of 12,12,012 rupees to Gopinath Munde Trust. And the opposition leaders primarily have raised an objection to this. Leader of opposition and Congress leader Vijay Wadettiwar basically saying that it has to be found out that which are the politicians or the authorities who helped Pooja Khedkar to become an IAS officer. It is a clear case of defrauding. So it has to be done with the connivance of certain officers and with the political clout as well. A similar question has been raised by Anand Dubey as well, a leader from Uddhav Thackeray's party. Now the big question here is, yesterday also we highlighted how Pooja Khedkar, while taking admission in the MBBS, had shown that she had no disability. Come 2022, there comes another medical certificate which shows 7% disability in one of her legs. So what exactly has transpired in this case? The cops obviously are investigating this on multiple fronts. The investigation agencies are working out. Pune police is also trying to find out the mother and father of Pooja Khedkar in the gun case as well as in the threat case against the farmers who had
informed
filed
Arunil,
against
as
them.
you're pointing out, to find out the family here. 2 different medical certificates emerges, one stating she is fit, the other one stating she is unfit. There's so many things coming.